Hi, my face food friends. I'm here today with my friend Lisa. And
Hi.
My name is Jen. She's going to be my model, and we are going to be doing a cinnamon, honey, and sugar mask. Lisa, what are some things that you want to improve in your skin?
Well, I'm always concerned about the dark spots and
Like
sunspots, and maybe some hydration.
Some hydration, yeah, you get a little dry. And we're at that point too where we maybe want to have a couple of like fine lines, maybe plumped up here and there. So what we're going to be doing is taking a tablespoon and a teaspoon and a bowl and a spoon, regular spoon, and combining these ingredients. So some of the benefits that cinnamon has for the skin is it is going to plump the skin up by drawing blood to the surface of it. It's going to help with circulation. It's going to exfoliate. It also does lighten dark spots, so you're in luck. And that will also help, like when it plumps up the skin, get rid of some of those fine lines. And overall is really just really beneficial for the skin. If you do have a cinnamon allergy, I would recommend obviously not doing this. If you don't know, possibly test patch this mask before you try it out. So right behind the ear is a really good spot to see if you have any issues. So we've tried this already on Lisa. She's good to go. I've tried it on myself and I'm good to go. So we're gonna grab our tablespoon first. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of honey in. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're gonna combine them in the bowl. So bear with me.
How much honey?
It's 2 tablespoons. Oh no, yeah. So just make sure that when you're doing this, you have a bowl that's big enough. Otherwise, it is a little bit like, takes a minute to stir, and you don't want the cinnamon or the sugar to fly out. So you're gonna get it to a nice consistency here. And this is actually pretty delicious, so if you get any close to your lips, it's all right. They actually use cinnamon in a lot of masks or actually lip plumpers, because it does actually like plump up the skin so much. Honey is antibacterial, and it is a natural humectant, so that's gonna really hydrate the skin. It also like locks in moisture. So if you have any of those concerns, which I think especially in the winter we all have, this is gonna be a little bit more beneficial. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliant. It also gets rid of dead skin cells, and this is going to help just penetrate a little bit deeper into the skin once you get rid of those dead skin cells. So this is a nice way to overall get a good winter mask going. So start by applying gently, and you can also add weird faces if you want to, because that's always fun.
Specialty.
It's Lisa's specialty. She likes to make weird faces when I do her makeup or put face masks on her like I like to do. So get it all over. I wouldn't worry about, getting too close to the eyes, because I don't want it to irritate you, but close enough so you're gonna get those crow's feet kind of area covered. And then we're gonna get the forehead. We're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. You can go a little longer. Sometimes people do get a sensitivity to it, even though it's not really going to hurt you. You could be a little bit sensitive to it. So once you've covered your face pretty good, again, adding a couple weird faces here and there, you can go onto the neck. This area sometimes does get a little bit more irritating, so I don't know, you don't have to. With other masks, sometimes I'll go down into my neck. This one, I kind of just concentrate on the face. And then, there you have it. The beautiful Lisa, ready to go.
Ready to go.
So in about 10 minutes, we're gonna wash this off just with regular warm water, and then I would follow up with some cold water, because it will get a little bit warm, because all that blood is rushing to your face. So if you do feel a little bit of warmth, that's normal, and you might get a little pink, but you'll feel the immediate results, and your skin's gonna feel super soft and super hydrated. Thanks, have a great one. All right, so I decided to join my friend Lisa here with a mask as well. I didn't want her to reap all the benefits after I just put in all that hard work. So enjoy. All right, Lisa, how do you feel?
Feels really nice and smooth. And it feels more hydrated, actually.
Yeah, it feels pretty good, right? So we've cleaned up, we've rinsed off with warm water, and then we use some cold water afterwards to just take out any of the warmth, like I said, that sometimes does happen with the cinnamon because it is a little bit, it can be a little bit overstimulating to some degree. I'm gonna actually now use a light moisturizer, which AKA I'm actually using coconut oil because it feels really, it kind of just calms the skin even more. It's natural and it's super hydrating. So I'm gonna go a little overboard. I'm gonna let Lisa rub that in herself. And that's pretty much it. I wouldn't use anything that's overstimulating afterwards. Like don't use any serums or anything that you normally use. I would just do like a light, gentle moisturizer to complete this skincare regimen. All right, if you continue doing this weekly, it will help to lighten those dark spots also. Obviously, if you're gonna go out in the sun, right now it's winter here, but if you are in the summertime, I would definitely cover up because those spots are just gonna come right back. So these are some tips and tricks from me and my lovely model who is here with me today. So enjoy us next time. I will be doing another mask with another friend. Thanks.